Hi guys, I'm Jack Arnot, Pulling Mill Signature Tyer and Team USA Fly Fishing member, and we're going to tie the New Age Silver Surfer. So this is a fly that I've fished for quite some time. It's super easy to tie. It's not a lot of materials going on here, but it's a searching pattern for me. It's either when hatches are super light and there's not a whole lot going on and I want to dry fly fish. It was originally created as kind of more of a gray drake variant. There's a river that I fish where there are a lot of gray drakes, and this pattern really shined, and then I kept tweaking it, and here's where we landed at today. But I'm going to attach just a little CDL tail in here, and you can make those as long or as short as you want. I tend to keep them pretty long if I'm going for more of a drake style pattern. And this is going to feature the synthetic V-wing platform as well. That's pretty much the only way I fish dry flies. And then for the body, super simple. It's Euro nymph body dub and light hare's ear mixed with ultra dry dub hare's ear, and that just gives a nice gray color with some natural fibers and some synthetic fibers. There's no ribbing here. I want the body to still look buggy. Sometimes when I do dub it on pretty tight, I'll go back in with a brush and brush it out, but I am a big fan of pretty buggy bodies on dries. So you're gonna just wrap this down here about 3/4 of the way up the hook. I need a little more. And then we can go in and trim the excess. So for the wings here, we're going to use that V-wing platform, and this is going to be in a mixture of black and brown dun ultra dry yarn. I find that this particular color combo mimics a lot of the wings that most of our bugs here have in Colorado, whether it's drakes, mayflies, etc. Just for me, this is a confidence color, and we're going to tie that in going off the front of the hook here. And you can make it as long as you want because it's going to get trimmed down. Another good thing about this pattern too, I do with all these V-wing patterns, is they're great dry dropper flies. Just with the way this wing sits, you're going to have a lot of fly stability, and it'll hang pretty heavy nymphs just because it's a mostly synthetic platform. Once we have that, we're going to go in with just our thorax and touch dub this on here. It'll be pretty loose for the most part, and that's just to kind of cover up the back of this wing. You want the body to be tapered, you know. If it's super buggy, it doesn't matter a ton, but I like to have the bodies on these somewhat tapered. And then we're going to make our thread dam here, propping up the wings. This is what's going to keep our wings in place here for the fly to float. And I find that these V-wings are best fished on a longer style leader. I usually am fishing dry flies with 7X. I just find that that's the best tippet size for me no matter what water I'm fishing to help reduce drag. And I'm going to split this material about 50-50 and run our hot thread down here. It can be Glo Brite or whatever hot thread you like to use. This, once again, is just for viewing bad weather conditions, or if I'm fishing these flies super far away. Helps me pick this fly up super easy, and there's no guesswork about where your fly is on the water. And we're going to attach that just in front of the wings here, and then fold it back once more. And then hopefully our thread catches the back here. There we go. And we're ready to whip finish and then work on these wings. Okay, so starting here, I'm going to clip down. And then with these wings, You can have them as long as you want. I like to do them just about body length. Now we're going to go to the underside of the fly here and start trimming each side just to give them a little more natural taper, and then come in and preen just the top. So having the light shine through these wings, like I said, is super, super important. I think a lot of fish turn off dry flies with super bulky white wings, or even, hot colored wings that people use for posts in some occasions. But these are supernatural wings, and they'll flare out, and they'll take to just about any dry fly floating you have: gel, powder, shake, spray. That's why I like tying in these synthetic materials for wings. And that is the New Age Silver Surfer. Great searching pattern for just about any hatch that's coming off. I'll fish these in a size 22 all the way up to a 12, just depending on what's hatching.